Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can change your username in Among Us. It's pretty simple. You want to click on my account at the bottom left of your screen and click on account. Now I'm doing this on my PC, but you guys can follow the same step if you're using iPhone or Android because Among Us user interface is similar in whichever device you use, alright? Once you're over here, my current username is YouTube God. If I want to change it, I can click on change name. Once I click on change name, it's going to take me over here. Now if I want to choose a random name, I can click on this button, and if I keep on clicking this button, it's going to show me random name. So if you want to enter a random name as a username, you can select this button. It'll choose that. But if you want to choose a name yourself, click on this box and then remove the current name you have and enter a new name. So I'm going to enter a new name called Jake Paul. So this is going to be my new name. So if I'm okay with this, I can click and confirm and my username will be changed. As you guys can see, it has been changed. Now I can play and I can play the game using my new username. That is how we guys can change your username in Among Us. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video.